Join me while I make, for the first time ever, so I don't fully know what I'm doing, donut holes. Cinnamon sugar donut holes. So my plan, we'll see how this goes. I have already clearly made my dough in my bread maker that also makes dough. So it's very sticky. So my plan is I'm just going to take my dough as my oil is heating up. I am just going to, in the meantime, roll up little baby balls, and then I'm going to put them in the oil. Yes, avocado oil, because I'm going to use the healthiest possible oil, but also avocado oil has a higher heat point for safe cooking. So I chose that one instead of, you know, something like canola or the ones that block your heart healthy and all that jazz. I have no idea how many this is going to make. It obviously depends on the size of the balls that you roll. I'm going to make it more indulgent per se. Instead of making really big ones, I'm just going to make a bunch of little ones so my family feels like they're eating a bunch, you know, a lot more, versus making big ones where they only get a couple. Yes, it's the same amount of food, but sometimes just trick your brain. Just trick your brain. Okay, the vultures got to it before I could show the ending. This is what they look like. So, upon first impression, they are delicious. I've already had 2. My teenage daughter has had 6. My son just took like 4 or 5. So they are very good. Now, I will be making these again soon. We've been stuck at home, literally, since this winter storm started. So because of snow and then it's turning to ice and everything, getting off of our property is just not an option yet. So I'm going to order probably online, Amazon, some powdered sugar. I had to use stevia. All I did was I fried these up in the avocado oil. I drained off the excess oil, and then I immediately rolled them in just purely a mixture of stevia and cinnamon. That's it. That is all this took. This was very easy. Was very quick, very simple. They are delicious, but I know I have confidence it will level it up even more if I use some powdered sugar and cinnamon versus stevia. But stevia was all I had. So it's got a little bit of a bitterness taste to it. Still good, but not the donut hole level that I would like. So first try, excellent work. And I have full confidence that I can step up this game as soon as I get the additional ingredient that I need. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next recipe.